principles of joining. At the beginning and end of words, the comma S is used before and after FVK, gay, then the left S before and after PBRL. Okay, look at the example from the word saves. So saves, ang ginamit is comma shape or the right S kasi it is letter V as in victory. Okay, dito naman sa sips, ginamit naman dito is left S because this is letter P. Okay, so mas madaling gamitin ang left S kaysa sa right S. So you just always follow the rules of GREGG shorthand. Okay, next, series, left S, E-R-E-S. 6, S-E-K, right S. Globes, gay, L-O-B, left S. Rags, R-A, gay, right S. Number 2, the comma S is used before letter T, D, N, M, O. The left S is used after those strokes. Okay, from the word stones. Okay, ginamit dito is comma S. Right S, T-O-N-S. Solos, S-O-L-O, left S. Needs, N-E-D, left S. Okay, next, rule number 3. The comma is used before and after each J and J. Sessions, S-E-ish, S. Riches, R-E-J-S. So, comma shape ito. Stages, S-T-A-J-S. Ayan, tingnan nyo ha. So, lahat siya ginamitan ng comma shape. Yung nag-end sa ish or sound of ish, J, J. Ish, comma shape. Ang S dyan. Riches, J, comma shape. Stages, J, comma shape. The comma S is used in words consisting of S and a circle vowel or S and if and a circle vowel. Okay, say, right S, A. This, over it, E, S. Sit, S, E, over it. Okay, we are now in recall chart. Start from brief forms. Be, by, for, would, there, this, good. They, which, them, and, when, from, should, could, send, after, street, where. Next is phrases and amounts. We are, we can, we will, I am, I can, I have, to be, to see, to say, I have been, I have not been, I have not been able. $7, 700, 70,000, $700,000, 7%, 7 o'clock. Yours truly, sincerely yours, dear sir, dear madam, very truly yours, yours very truly. Next is words. Hire, hired, face, facing, meet, meeting, rule, ruled, even, evening, night, nightly, June, July, invite, inviting, kindness, kindnesses, begin, begins, sweet, sweets, efficient, efficiency, paint, paints, to, do, while, will. Sa phrases, ang ganitong stroke, it is called as we will. Pero nasa words tayo, so this is will.